There's a new capture method called 3D scan, which essentially it takes the photos from your phone and automatically captures them as you're walking. It essentially like supplements your ground-based capture with your phone. So you don't need a 360 camera. But what this is doing is it basically treats your phone photo like a drone photo. And this is where you can start to take images off your phone and produce maps and models like what you see here. So open trenches, think like mechanical rooms. This is where it's getting, I think, exciting for guys that don't have a 360 camera or just want to do it, with their phone. We treat it just like a drone photo. So you can still measure off of it. All the tools that you would have on the outside with the drone is exactly how we treat it on the inside with your phone photo. What's cool about it is it's really like automated. That's essentially me walking this path. The team wanted to measure and document all this piping that was for the underground. And all I'm doing is just walking with my phone. It's basically automatically taking photos as I walk. Those are all captured images from the phone. Like that's the raw image that came from it. And I can start to move around and see what those raw images were if I need to like read something on the pipe itself. But it gets reconstructed, is measurable, just like the drone side of it. And then you can obviously view it like here, seeing all the individual photos, if that makes sense. So it's as if you were almost like walking around with a drone, but now you're just walking around with your phone, which has, if not better camera quality, to be able to process that into what you saw there.